Have you ever printed out a beautiful flyer, only to realize the edges were completely cut off because you started with the wrong digital canvas size? Hey creators! Today, we are mastering the absolute first step of designing in Canva, setting up your perfect canvas and understanding dimensions. When you open Canva, don't just pick a random template. You need to know your end goal. Are you printing a standard flyer, or is this a digital poster for social media? For physical prints, type flyer into the search bar to automatically get the standard 8.5 by 11 inches, or poster for a larger 18 by 24 inches layout.